Hey y'all, Texas Scratchaholic, and I am here to do some fun mail that I received in the mail. Recovery is going well. I've been up and moving a little bit, so I decided to go ahead and scratch these tickets while I'm feeling up to par, guys. So here we are. We have New Jersey tickets, y'all. This is from Nightingale Scratcher. If you have not heard of Nightingale Scratcher, I will drop her channel in the description, guys. Please go check her out. She is on the road to 1K friends, and her channel is freaking awesome, y'all. So please go check her out, guys. We have a $75 session, y'all. I'm excited. Yeah, she's had quite a few great wins on these tickets, so I'm hoping that we can find her a big win today, guys. And of course, I will be scratching with her coin today, guys. So let's get started. We're going to start with the $5 tickets. We have tickets, let's see what we have. We've got 48 through 50, guys. So let's start with 48, of course. And on this ticket, guys, these tickets are small compared to Texas tickets. So let me zoom in. We are looking, of course, to match our numbers, or we can find a money sack for an instant win. If you get that $200 burst, it is, of course, $200 instantly, guys. So I'm in a symbol hunt, guys. Let's do it. Wouldn't it be so awesome to find a burst on this ticket? I'll take a money sack, though. All right, last row, guys. Okay, so no symbols. We're just trying to match a number. See if we can do it. 20. I don't see a 20 on the ticket. 40. So you're going to give us all the numbers that end in 0 and we don't have a single one. 27. No 27. And 10. Of course, that's a one-off from the 9. All right, so ticket 48 was not a win. That's okay. We got more to go. Let's try ticket 49, y'all. All right. I'm going to symbol hunt this one, too. Okay, so no symbols, no money sack, no burst. Let's see if we can get a match. 27. Hey, we got a match. This won't be a bust session. Yay. See if we can get something else. 8. Is there an 8 on the ticket? I don't see an 8. 16. Got a 17. And last number is 29. Got a 19, a 9. No 29, but we have a 27. And it is for little zeros. $5. Break even. We'll take it. Now let's see if we can get back-to-back winners. These little tickets are so cute. They're small. All right, guys. Let's see what numbers we have. We've got a 28, a 32, 26, and 14. Let's see what we got. 13 is a one-off. Don't have any single digit numbers. 11 we don't have. 18, nope. The only team we have is a 14. 21, no. 34, we got a 32. No 17. 38 is a no. 20, no. 24, we need a 26. 40, we don't have any 40s. 10, we don't have a 10. 39, no. No single digits. And last is a 7. 50 was not a winner, guys, but we did get $5 back from the $5 ticket, so that's not bad. Now we're gonna do the $10. And I forgot to tell y'all that this is like a family set. So that was the 200,000 riches. This is the 500,000 riches. And then the $20 and $30 ticket are both riches. So you see that 1 million and 3 million. All right. And the odds. Where are the odds? Oh, I don't see them. Am I missing it? I don't know what the odds are, y'all, but all right, we're just gonna scratch, guys. Can't find it. All right, so on this one, they have more symbols. Yay. So on this one, we are looking to match our numbers, of course. We can get a money sack for an instant win, 2x symbol for double, or they have a $500 burst on this one, y'all. All right, let's see if we can find a symbol. All right, last row. No symbol in sight, guys. Let's see what numbers we have. 18. No, we got a 19 down there in clutch corner. 17, I don't think we had it. We don't. 8. We have a 7 and a 9 for a sandwich. 29. No, 29. 33. No, 33, guys. And last number is a 31. We've got, hey, we do have a 31 right here, guys. All right. All right, Nightingale. These are some good tickets. Let's see what we got. There's zeros. $20. That was a nice double up on this ticket, guys. This is a $10 ticket, and we got $20. That is a prize. All right. So far, we're up to $25. Let's see if we can get a win on the $20 ticket, guys. We have the bonus here at the top. You have to reveal a prize amount, and you win that amount. So let's hope we can get a prize there. Otherwise, we're down here. Same symbols as the $10 ticket. The only difference is we have the bonuses up top. And it looks like we have another row of numbers on this one too as well. Let's do the bonus so I won't forget it. Can we get a prize amount? Lemon, horseshoe, and a crown. All right, guys, here we go. You know what? Let's symbol hunt. Y'all already know. Ooh, my lucky 44. Maybe that's a good sign. Well, this session is already turning out way better than the session that I sent her. I sent her some fun mail as well. I think it's like $60 worth, and that was a big old, almost a bust. I got $5 back out of 60, so this is already turning out great. No symbols. Let's see if we can get a match on this one. 21. Let me make sure I don't miss a number. It's not like I can scan this and see if I won. 54. Got 53. No, 54. 20. We got 40 and a 50 and a 60. No, 20. There's that 33 again. And we don't match it again. That 8, man. Seen that number pop up a few times. Not on this ticket either. And last number is 31. Do we have a 31? No 31. So this ticket was not a winner. So now we're going to do our last ticket, guys. It is the $30 ticket, 3 million ultimate riches. So same concept. Got to get a prize amount in the bonus to win. And on this one, we still have that money sack for an instant win, but we have a 5 and a 10x multiplier. And then, of course, that $1,000 burst, you win $1,000 instantly, guys. Whew. All right. Let's, I'm going to scratch the numbers off, I think. Got to zoom out just a little bit. All right, here we go. Let's see what numbers we got. 57. So not 57, but a 50 and a 7. 4, 32, 36. 34, 3, 22, 17, and 19, guys. Here we go. 24. No. 29. No. 51. We have a 50. Sherry's nifty 50. 9. We do not have a 9. 12. No. 16. We got a 17. 56. No. There's a freaking 33 again. We've got 34. I know we don't have 1. Miss P's 1 up there. 23. No, we have BA's 22. 39. No. 58. No. 47. No 40s. All right. 37. We got 36. One off. 30. No. 49. We have no 40s, I think I said. 26. 38. We don't have. Come on, we need a match. 2 is one off from Miss Money's. 3. 18. We don't have. There's that 8 again. We don't have. 53. No. 14. We don't have it. 21. One off. We don't have any 60s. 6. One off. 13. We don't have. 41. Oh, we don't have any 40s. 54. We don't have. Last spot, guys. I just want to see what it'd be. Hey, Hondo. That's possible. Can we get it? 52. No. So our $30 ticket was not a winner, guys. So we had a $75 session of the New Jersey lottery, and we won back, guys, $25. Thank you so much, Nightingale, for the fun mail. It was super duper fun to do. I enjoyed it, and thanks for being awesome. Thanks for being you. Thanks for being who you are in the community. You are greatly appreciated. You're always just present. You're always present. Always just supportive and just being there for everybody. And I just want to say thank you for that, and enjoy this. And guys, again, I will put her description in her description. That's not what I'm trying to say. I will put her channel in the description, guys, so you guys can go check her out. Look at all her content. She goes live every now and then, so if you're able to catch her live, that's great. If not, that's great too. But guys, thank you so much, and I will catch you guys later.